Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a side hustle with DoorDash, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your side hustle with DoorDash, first, visit the DoorDash website or download the app from your device's app store. Next, create an account by entering your email address, phone number, and choosing a password. Once your account is set up, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. After that, verify your phone number through the text message sent by DoorDash. Next, you'll need to set up your payment information to receive earnings. DoorDash offers direct deposit, so you'll need to input your bank account details. Now, it's time to choose your method of delivery. You can opt to use your car, bike, or even walk, depending on your location and preferences. Once you've selected your delivery method, DoorDash will request a background check. Make sure you provide accurate information to avoid any delays in the process. After your background check is approved, you'll receive a welcome kit. This kit usually includes a red DoorDash delivery bag. Once you receive your kit, log into the app to access your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can schedule your delivery shifts. Choose peak hours to maximize your earnings. Start by accepting delivery requests that pop up on your screen. Each request will include pickup and drop-off locations along with the estimated earnings. Follow the in-app navigation for the fastest route to the pickup location. When you arrive, pick up the order and confirm that you have everything. Next, navigate to the drop-off location as indicated in the app. Once you deliver the food, mark the order as complete in the app. Keep track of your earnings and any tips received daily. Consider using a mileage tracker to optimize your tax deductions. Lastly, remember to maintain great customer service to receive higher ratings and tips. With consistency and effort, you can effectively manage your side hustle with DoorDash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.